Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very quick, easy, and cheap centerpiece. Most of the items were purchased at the Dollar Tree, so it pretty much didn't cost me anything. So if you're interested in learning how to make this cute centerpiece for Valentine's Day, then keep watching. Alright guys, let's get started. So the supplies that you will need are tissue paper. I have 2 sheets of tissue paper which came from the Dollar Tree. You need a box that came from the Dollar Tree. You will need some heart cutouts, which I also got from the Dollar Tree. You can also make the hearts on your own. If you go online and just do a search for a heart template, you can just cut out your own hearts. If you do that, then you'll need your cardstock paper in the colors of your choice. So I'm using the pink and red because it's Valentine's Day coming up. And what else? You'll need 2 sticks. I actually got these sticks in the party section of Dollar Tree. They're actually attached to photo props. So you get a whole bunch of sticks with the photo props and it only costs $1. And you'll also need some Play-Doh. You guys are probably wondering, why do I need Play-Doh? Well, I'm going to show you. And last, you'll need some double-sided tape. I have my tape gun here, but you can use glue, or you can use the roller double-sided tape. So whatever adhesive that you prefer. So this is very quick and very easy to do. So first thing you need to do is create your heart centerpiece stick. And how I did this, I need to actually use these hearts for something else. So I just use my double-sided tape and put a little tape on the heart. Then you take your stick and put it here. If you want this to last longer, I would suggest using hot glue. This I can actually just pull the hearts right off because I do need them for something else, but to make it last longer, I do suggest using hot glue. So once you have your 2 centerpiece sticks all ready, you take your box and you take your Play-Doh. This is something new I just found out. I was looking for a way to display my centerpieces, and I was actually tired of buying the foam because after a while, once you keep punching holes in the styrofoam, the holes get too big and you can't really use it anymore. But Play-Doh, you can just push it back together and reuse it. So you just have to make sure you keep the lid on because, as you know, Play-Doh will get hard over time. So, and this Play-Doh, actually, I think it came in packs of 4. It's for like $1, so it's amazing. And it doesn't even matter what color you get because it's going to be hidden underneath the tissue paper. So once you have that, you stick your centerpiece in here, and I kind of put them in at an angle so that it'll display a little better. Stick them in your box. And also suggest, my box is kind of flimsy, so take some hot glue, put it on the bottom, and stick it in here. That way it doesn't rock. But for this tutorial, you get the gist. So that's how it'll look. I'll have to turn it this way so you guys can see. It'll look like this. And actually, I'm gonna take this out because I'm missing a step, which is to take your hearts and put some tape or glue on them and put them on your box. I kind of keep the hearts kind of low because when the tissue paper sticks up, it kind of hides the heart a little bit. So keep them low to the box. Trying to make sure that I'm alternating the heart colors, so when you turn the box around, it gives a different effect. so I don't have hearts. Again, I'm just doing this for tutorial purposes, but I would actually glue the hearts better so that it doesn't, you know, pop open like this, but you guys get the idea. All right, so we have the box all done. Then now you take your centerpiece and you stick it in here. And then take your tissue paper. And then what I do is I actually have the whole paper here. And then I pinch the center. And then fold it over like this. So that looks like this. And just put it in there. Turn it around. Open it up. Pinch. Fold over. Put it on this side. Just move it around so it looks the way that you prefer. And I got to get a better camera angle, so I'll show you.